Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jyot Kumar, and in this video we are going to learn about AWS Glue Transformations. So in my previous video we have already learned how to create connections and how to load data from S3 to Redshift using AWS Glue. So this is just continuation of this video. So I will highly recommend that you first watch this video. I will put link of this video in my description, so kindly go to this video, otherwise you might not understand some of the connection part or some of the details. But once you have watched this video, then you come to this current video, and then you can go for the transformation part. So in my last video I have already told you how to connect to the S3, how to make connection to the Redshift. So all those things is already available in my system right now. So let me log into my AWS account. Okay, so this is my AWS account, and what I'm going to do is, let me explain again. So I will take two tables, that both table is in S3, whatever are in S3. So one table name is product, and other file is sales. So we are taking two files, product and sales, and through the ETL, through the glue, we will join both table, means both file, and we'll do some transformation, some basic transformation, and we'll save the result to Redshift. So we are going to do this exercise today. Okay, so we already made the connections for Redshift, and nothing else. Apart from that, everything we will do. So only you have to understand how to make the connection to the Redshift, because this takes more time to do this. So I didn't deleted the connections from the Redshift, and I don't want to do it again. If you want to learn how to do, please watch my previous video, or you comment. I will help you. Sure. Okay. So I have two files. This is first file. This is second file. So this is my product file. Product having some 3 columns. This is a basic example I've taken. Product 1, product ID, product name, and price. And this is the sales. So which product having what invoice? So let's suppose that this is a mouse. So mouse price is 20. So mouse having product ID 3. So we see 3. So where the 3 is? 1, 2, 3. So 3 times 3 is there. So this is the invoice ID. So this just for the sake of understanding, I have just taken the two small file. But in your real time, you might have the two bigger file and having more than 20, 30 or more than 100 column on that. You have to join both table and to create the data frame out of both table, out of both file, and then you can transform whatever the result you want. You do the transformation. Once the result data frame you have, save that result data frame into Redshift. So you will understand clearly how we are going to do this one. Okay, so let's start. So I already have both file into my S3. I will show you. This is my S3 bucket, and here the both file I loaded here, and this is my script. I have already done this, but I will delete it because I want to do it again. So let me delete, no problem. Okay, so there's nothing else. The only connection I have already established. Test connection I already did. It is working fine. So this and all I already explained how to do these things. Okay, so this is testing. This is also take some time to test. So meanwhile, what I will do, I will just create the crawler. So you know what is the crawler means. It will crawl the metadata from the source and target. So now I will create one crawler to crawl the metadata of S3. So let me create the crawler. Okay, I'll put the crawler name S3 join. Okay, you can keep any name, and crawl all folder. Okay, next here connection is not required for S3. If it is Redshift, then another thing, then you have to make these connections. Okay, so include path. I will include. Where is my data? My data is in this bucket. So I will take only 2 files there. So I'll just take this folder and I'm crawling the metadata of both. Okay. And then everything's fine. Next. Add another data source. No, I don't want to add another data source. This role and all I already created in my last video. Please watch. And then go to next. Okay, we'll run on demand. Next. And database. You can create. We'll create database. We'll keep database as test. I think this is already available. Already existing. Then okay. So if it's already existing, then you can use that one, or if you want to create new one, so create S3 test. Okay. S3 test. Create. Okay. The database has been created. Next, and then verify everything's fine. Finish. So within a minute, it will create the crawler. You can see the crawler is ready now, and you could see this one is still running. This testing Redshift connections. So I already have Redshift available. So and I already have the connection successfully made. So no problem, it will work. If not work, then we'll check. Okay, you can see here. Glue Redshift new connected successfully to your stand. So connection is working fine. Okay, that's fine. Leave it. So just I shown you how this connection is working fine. And then we have created one crawler, and crawler we created to crawl the metadata. So we run the crawler. So what will happen after the running the crawler? It will call all the metadata from the S3 and it will keep in here in table. Okay, it is running. It will take some time. You can see it is there in starting state. Okay, so welcome back. So we have already created the crawler and we have run the crawler, and you can see the crawler is in stopping state. That means it crawled the data. If you come here in table, you would have seen, you could see this S3 test. You can see this S3 test. We have created S3 test. So this is the data just now we have crawled. Okay, so if you see what is there, you can see this column name, product ID, product name, price, all it created this metadata, this table information. Okay, this is the product table information, and then if you see the other table, so there is sales also having. Okay, so we are not going to create crawler for Redshift and crawl the metadata because of Redshift, because we are going to create on-fly table. So whenever the data is available, we'll create on-fly. Okay, so let's move to the next section. We'll actually go to job and we'll create job. Add job. So job name will keep S3. The Redshift transformation. So I'm just keeping trans. Role name I already created. That and all we are using Spark, Python 3. It will keep this script in this folder in S3. So remaining all things will keep as it is. We'll do next. And here data source, I'm just keeping one. Another source while creating the script, we will take it. No problem. This change schema, yes. Target data source. Okay, choose the target. So what target? Target, we don't have this. This is my source. So target, I want to create table in your target data. Create table in your data target. Okay. So this connection is to connect to the Redshift. So it will create table in our target. Where my target is? My target is Redshift. So with there, we will create a table with the data. That's the meaning of this. So we already have the connections. So database name is dev. We have database name is dev. And next. Okay. So this is fine. Job. You can see this is my glue job with a script. Oh, okay, we'll see one line by line. Before that, I will just go to Redshift and we'll open this query editor version 2. This is a new one and it's very good. Look and feel is very nice compared to other. This is a new one. So if you need black mode, you can keep this black mode on. If you need white mode, and the other things is already there. You can explore this ID, you can say, or yeah, ID. So this is my Redshift database. You can see here. That's the cluster, and in the dev, you can see there are multiple files, but there is no file name called product sales. Okay, there is no file name. So what we'll see, we'll create a data frame from the script and we'll write here. You will see here it will come automatically. That's my target that we have to do. Okay, so you can see this is the import automatically incorporated, and it got created this Spark context, and from the Spark context created glue context, and then Spark session, job name, even job name, whatever job name you want to give, you can give. Nothing like that. Okay, and this is the comment and all. I will just remove this comment. Okay, that's not required. Okay, to make it clean and looks easy, because you will feel like what and all things are there. Okay, so there are only 4-5 lines. Okay, so first line is to creating the data frame for this product CSV. So I want product CSV and sales CSV also, right? So okay, so what we will do, we'll just copy this one full and paste. Otherwise, you can do one by one also. Here, you can create source. Already sales we have, product we have, we can take the sales CSV. So it will come. You can see this boilerplate code means automatically generate code. It came, and this looks like same. See, glue, create dynamic frame from catalog, S3 table, sales. Okay, you don't have to do anything. Okay, so just we'll copy this and keep name as data source 1, because data source 0 is for product, 1 is for sales. Okay. Okay. Like that also you can do. And here this also will keep one more line for sales. So here where if you want to change the column type and all, then you can use this apply. This I will keep change it to 2, and here we'll change it to 1, and this is not product ID. Okay, this is sales things. So we'll go to my, okay, open one more, and because I want to see ETL Glue, because I want to see that column name and all what is there in my catalog scroller. So this table, this is my sales. So only there are 2 columns. Okay, product ID and invoice number. Okay, so I will just take this invoice number because product ID is already there. If the product ID is there, product, this one will remove because this is copied from product. I don't want these things. And here I will change to invoice ID. Okay, that's fine, no problem. And then here keep as 2 because one is for product and this is for sales. Okay, and we'll resolve if you want some changes here. This make column is for changing the date type and all. So there is one very good documentation. I will keep this link if you want to read it. And because this, I will recommend to go through one because there are many things, all things we cannot cover in this video because it will be lengthy, and this is very easy. Just read it, you will understand. Use resolve choice to specify how a column should be handled when it contains value of multiple type. Okay, so you can use resolve type. There are many other things are there. Okay, so you can read this documentation properly. Where I was here. So this also will keep for sales, and we'll name it as 3. This is 2. Okay, and this is 3. This is fine. This also will make it, if there is any null field will drop, but there are no null value, but automatically created, so I just kept it. If you don't want to keep, you can remove it. Okay, but I will recommend it if you are using for real time, means there are much more data is there, real data, then you will definitely find null value and you have to remove that null field. So kindly keep that as it is, no problem, right? This is for resolve 3 is product, sorry, sales, and this is my final data type. Okay. So this, there are 2 final data type. I got it. So from I want to combine, I want to join these 2. Okay, to joining that, you can see here transform. You can go to transform. You can see what there are many things. See the drop duplicate also there, drop null value, drop field, filter. Automatically you will get the code. Okay, so I'm just taking join. So create. You will get this code here. What is here? So it is giving here. It is telling that data frame you have to give. Which frame you want to give to join? You want to join this product and sales. Okay, based on what key you want to join? Key is product ID, correct? You have to keep in list. Okay, like this. This also product ID. And this you can, I will keep name this result because this only I want to save result into database, means Redshift, that is data warehouse actually. Okay, this is the result, and this result I want to save into Redshift. So here we have to change this frame, result frame. Okay, all things looking good. So this is a table I could create on fly, and this is the database. Okay, and this template directory is needed. Data sync name and then job.com. Okay, so everything's looking good. I hope there is no problem with this. And this is just small transformation, like we're just joining, and just I will show you if you want to select some particular column, then how to do that one. So first let me run this job. We'll save this one and we'll run this job. So it will take certainly some time because internally it will spin Spark cluster and there to submit this job. It will take some time. We will wait for that. So this is completed, and we'll go to my Redshift cluster and we'll refresh. This one, we'll see we have data or not. Okay, so we don't have this table, so it means it got failed. We'll go here and we'll go to AWS console and we'll see why this, what happened. section. We'll go to job. And if you click here, you will see this log. Okay, log is showing it is succeeded. Okay, so log is succeeded. Then why there is no data? Why there is no table here created? Let me just define again. What is my table name? Result, and db table product. Okay, product underscore csv. This table should be created. Let me see here. Product underscore csv. Where it is? Refresh it. Public table and there is no product underscore csv. So there database table, right? Database table, public schema, cluster 1. Might take some time, maybe. Or let me see this log meanwhile. Here's the log. This is log. We'll open this log. Strange, right? There's no error, but it's not created. Null field. Giving something. Public dot product underscore csv does not exist. Okay, that's what I should have created, right? Oh shit, what mistake I have made is, you can see here, this is joining same table. So I need to make it 4. Okay, and then we'll save this one and okay. So what is the problem is? Problem is with this new query editor. It was not showing there. I don't know why, because this is the first time I'm using this new query editor. And let me connect it again. Not connected. Okay, okay. It is saying that not connected. Okay, now it is connected. Then also you can see here there is no table available here. If you refresh it, then also it's not showing me that those table. You should see. So I don't know actually what is the problem. I will check it and resolve what is the problem. Why this table is not showing with this new query editor, but it is already available here. If you see here the old query editor, you can see this is a table available here. And you see the data, it is also here. We'll do select star from product sales. We have data here. Okay, so let me cross verify once again. I will just drop this both table query and just keep dropping this table. Drop table. Okay, and this time I'll just select few column. You can see there is no table name called product sales. Now what I will do, I will go here and just select some column. Will not select all column. We'll go to transformation. There is one transformation name. Select field and create. So here I'll keep name as a result data frame, result df. Okay, result df. This also will be, I'll keep it same, and data frame name is result data frame, and I will just select this column name product ID, product name, and invoice number. Okay, product name and invoice number. Price also will keep. It's all column. Regarding the repeat, will not repeat product ID. So this 4 column I'm selecting here from the select transformation. Now we will save this. Before saving, I need to write this one. Result df. Okay. Now we'll save this one and run the job. Okay, so this got completed. Now we'll go here and we'll refresh this. You can see we have this product sales table, and if you see this table having only 4 columns. Okay, that's, and let me select this. Select transfer. Okay, so that's all, friend. So this is the how you will do the transformations, and I will give you the link of this. You can apply the whatever transformation you want to do. Even you can use the Spark data frame, and you can use, if you know the Spark, you can use the Spark data frame and write all the transformation and save data into Redshift. So that's all. If you have any doubt, please comment and let us know if you have any query. Definitely, I will get back to you. Thank you very much.